Hey kids, ever amazed by the vast world of sports? From basketball dribbles to soccer goals, sports unite us, teaching teamwork, discipline, and offering immense fun. Today, we embark on an adventure across this exhilarating landscape. Discover the significance of sports in growth, how they forge friendships, keep us active, and equip us with new skills. Get ready for a sneak peek at some amazing sports. Whether you're a swift runner or a graceful swimmer, there's a world of sports waiting just for you. So, tie your shoelaces, embrace your enthusiasm, and let's explore the dynamic world of sports together. Witness how sports can bring unparalleled joy to our lives. Did you know basketball started with a soccer ball? Dive deeper with us into sports, uncovering rules and engaging facts. Our exploration reveals soccer's global love, with 250 million players worldwide, and its 1863 codified rules in London. Basketball, originating in 1891 with peach baskets and a soccer ball, evolved into today's beloved game. Interestingly, the first game featured 9 players per side, a contrast to the current 5. Then there's cricket, embodying fair play since the 16th century in England, known for its intricate rules and multi-day matches. Swimming, a vital skill and Olympic sport since 1896, traces back to 36 BC competitions in Japan. These stories not only highlight sports evolution, but also their power to unite diverse cultures through shared passions and respect. As we delve into reasons and benefits of engaging in sports next, think about which sport you're eager to try. Join us in discovering the joy and benefits sports bring into our lives. Our journey through the sports realm concludes, but remember, each game played propels you towards a joyous, healthy life. Sports, transcending mere games, build friendships, impart lessons, and strengthen our bodies. Whether it's the adrenaline of soccer or chess's strategic depth, there's a sport for every inclination. Envision scoring that decisive goal or acing the finish line. The excitement is unparalleled. Having explored fascinating facts and rules, it's your moment to dive in. Which sport calls out to you? Whether drawn to basketball's teamwork, swimming's endurance, or archery's precision, start with what thrills you most. Equip yourself with the gear, and let's transform every day by engaging in our favorite sports. You might uncover a lifelong passion. Ready, set, play.